Nĩ kĩgomano gĩa kĩmabũrũri kĩrĩa kĩrathiĩ na mbere yunivasĩtĩ-inĩ ya MWAKAINI mwena wa Ruiru gĩkĩrehe hamwe anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ makĩria arĩa makuruhanagio na ũthondeki wa njanjo cia kwĩgita mĩrimũ. Na kuona gĩtaro kĩa Afrika nĩ kũmwe gwa kũrĩa njanjo itathondekagĩrwo na njĩra nene, ataaramu aya makarika ndereti-inĩ ũrĩa mangĩohora mĩnyororo-inĩ ya kwĩhoka mabũrũri ma nanja harĩ ũthondeki wa njanjo ici.
I think some of the challenges that are there in terms of access to commodities, of course, is that the key risk is that we are depending on imports, which is not sustainable. So that poses a risk. So we need to reverse that to be able to reverse from the 70% to below even 50%. If we do that, then we are also building our capacity in the country and also not losing resources, in terms of forex to buy these products. Some of the challenges that we face in that is really just policy, in terms of policy coherence, just making a decision that we have capacity for these products, therefore we implement policies that then says that we take up the products that we produce, and the government is already doing that. They have already said 50% of what they are buying should essentially come from our local manufacturer.
We have endemic epidemics like cholera, for instance. Recently, we've been working together as different partners to manage the mpox outbreak, which hit many countries and so on. And it is still evident that, the resources that most of the countries have put aside to respond to emergencies are inadequate. And so one of the things that we are doing is pushing the member states to improve on their preparedness, prevention, and response mechanisms.
Ĩndĩ thabarĩ ya Afrika kwambĩrĩria gwĩthondekera njanjo gũmĩirwo nĩ moritũ kĩondorita, wagi wa mbeca, wagi wa ũtaaramu wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ, gĩkĩro gĩa tekinoronjĩ gũkorwo kĩrĩ thĩ hamwe na mathĩna mangĩ makĩorotwo harĩ gũkinyanĩra gwa kĩoneki gĩkĩ.
So if we're going to build a pharmaceutical factory, we're going to need bricks and mortars, we're going to need consultants, and we're going to need power and utilities. The VAT today, whatever I incur, I cannot claim back. Can you believe this? 5 years later, we're still on this rut. So where is the execution and political will of achieving that dream? Or is it just a dream we are dreaming in? So I urge politicians and our dear President, who is heading local manufacturing, to act because it's important.
Thirikari ĩkiuga ĩratanya gwĩthondekera njanjo ya mbere gũgĩkinya mwaka-inĩ wa 2027, ĩndĩ nĩ thabarĩ ĩrabatara kĩgĩna kĩa makĩria ma bilioni 300 ta ũrĩa mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ya ũthondeki wa njanjo Kenya Biovax Dr. Wesley Rono aratarĩria.
The government and Kenya Vision 2030 took position that we will manufacture our own vaccines. We will give incentives for local manufacturing for us to be able to have all our health products, and we're very, very happy here with the Kenya Biovax, which was created as a response for it to lead the manufacturing of vaccines.
Anyiti itemi mahoete ũnyitanĩri gatagatĩ ka honge ciothe hamwe nacio thirikari itiganĩte nĩguo kũhũthia mĩto ya kũnyotora Afrika njanjo cia bata nĩguo kwĩgita mĩrimũ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mathiũ Ndung'u wa Mbũgua.